Hi, I'm Longster1970, and today I'm going to be installing this set of front and rear vent shades by WeatherTech on the 2015 Toyota RAV4. So let's get started. Part number is 827361M. These are the dark ones for the 2015 Toyota RAV4. These are the front ones, come with instructions and an installation tool. These are the rear ones. They also come with instructions and an installation tool. First thing we're supposed to do is take this tool on a paper towel, run it up through the window channel. Get any dirt out of it. We're going to do the same thing with the rear one while we're here. It's the driver's side. Let's go to the passenger side. Same thing here, starting from down in this corner. Work my way up around. I'll tell you right there. Get some dirt out of there. Let's go and do the rear one. Same thing, I'm going to start from about halfway. Get some dirt out of there also. Window's got to be 1.5 inches from the top per the instructions. Then you slide the front of the deflector in underneath here. At the back, you want to flex the shade out and then put it into the back, and then slowly work from the front. Work it up into the window seal. Like so. Next thing you want to do is you want to slowly raise the window back up until it completely closes, and then it's got to be set like that for 48 hours. Same thing with this side, passenger side. I want to make sure that that's installed the whole way up in the front, and then bow this up. Make sure it's seated in there, and then work from the front. And then raise the window, and hopefully it's seated in right. This is the rear vent shield. You have to take this adhesive off first. I'm going to do that. Okay, it's from the rear. Supposed to work forward, and you're supposed to work it up into the front. And take this tool. Make sure that you got it up in there, I guess, with that. You should up in. and then raise the window up. Same thing with the passenger side. Take the adhesive backing off. Then insert them from the rear here. Tool to push them up in. I don't know why this one's giving me a harder time. That should be it. And just roll that window back up. And I'm set for 48 hours. And that should do it. Well, I'll do it for installing the WeatherTech side window deflectors on the 2015 Toyota RAV4. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.